Hello everyone, it's your girl ItsDymaeshia here, and today I am going to be doing the Get Into It YUH pink makeup look that Doja Cat had done. I'm going to be recreating the makeup look for this video. Now for a disclaimer, I had got this makeup look from the trailer and not from the music video, because I had made another video after I done my makeup look that I had reacted to the music video itself. So I already watched the trailer over the weekend before the music video was dropped, so I did this like around Tuesday morning. So I woke up really early and did this makeup look, and it was really challenging because it was different, you know, but it was also fun at the same time. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. It was really hard, it was really fun. The reaction video to the music video of Get Into It YUH will be uploaded on my channel after this one. It will take some time to do it because I gotta edit and stuff like that. If you guys haven't yet subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and leave that notification bell on to get notified whenever I upload. Leave a like for this video and comment below which looks I should recreate next for Doja Cat, or just suggest any celebrity or artists that I should recreate a look down below. I would do different type of looks and recreating them on my channel just for fun. I'll also go be doing voting polls on Instagram or on Twitter, but I see people that mostly be on Instagram a lot, so I'm gonna go back and forth. But yeah, follow me on my social media in the description below, and without further ado, let's get into it YUH makeup look started. And that's it, y'all. This is the Get Into It YUH pink eyeshadow Doja Cat look that I had recreated, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And if you guys do, leave a like, girl. Subscribe to my channel and leave that notification bell on to get notified of my videos wherever I upload, and comment below which looks I should do next. You guys can let me know on Instagram. I'm gonna do vlog posts on which looks y'all think I should recreate next, and I will see you guys in the next video, me doing reaction to Doja Cat Get Into a YUH music video. And I'll see you guys later, and bye.